Just delay. Good morning, everyone. It's Wangmo, and it is 8 o'clock a.m. Beijing time in Lhasa. And look, the sun is ready to rise, and I think the weather of today will be very comfortable. And today in my video, I mainly want to share with you my Tibetan breakfast, that is sweet tea, changamo, and the roasted barley flour, tamba, and I will also show you how to make it. And just think of my video of today as like my Tibetan breakfast sharing. Let's go. So first of all, I'm gonna to do my Tibetan breakfast, sweet tea. Sweet tea, changamo, is one of our favorite drinks, and we drink it every day. But in some traditional families, they will also make butter tea, but it's too much complex, and I do not have so much time to do it. So I'm gonna to do the easiest one, the sweet tea. So how to make sweet tea? It's simple.
We need to prepare green or red tea, then boil it. Then we need milk and sugar. Then we can ready to make it.
This is my usual sweet tea. It is the simple one. And actually, to be honest, I prefer sweet tea in the sweet tea house because I think that tastes better. And the Tibetan breakfast, in addition to the sweet tea, will also have the roasted barley flour, and we call it as tamba in Tibetan. And the process of making Tibetan roasted barley flour is more complex. So today, with the ready-made roasted barley flour, I will prepare my breakfast tamba. And then I will have it with the sweet tea that I just finished. So let's have a see how can I make my Tibetan breakfast roasted barley flour. These are what I need to prepare my Tibetan breakfast roasted barley flour. This is the roasted barley flour, sugar, butter, tea in our bowl. Wash in hand first, and now let's make it. Look, wet it to melting. And we can put roasted barley flour into our bowl. Wait a minute. Put some sugar. Done. This is my roasted barley flour, and this is my sweet tea. And now I will have my Tibetan breakfast, sweet tea and roasted barley flour. Above is the kinds of Tibetan food and my breakfast that I want to share with you today in my video. And these food are very popular in Tibet. So if you are interested in it, you can do it by yourself at home. And remember to subscribe me. I will bring more different contents next time. Okay, I will take a bowl of my sweet tea and then go to work. See you next time. Bye. Just delay.